In this lesson I want to look at adding a new task list gadget into an interactive dashboard. From within inside the interactive dashboard I can select the new gadget button, I can select create gadget, and from within the gadget wizard that is created I can now select task list. The task list is very simple. All I need to do is provide it with a title and save this. The tasks that are created are shown inside the task list gadget, and we can filter the gadget either by looking at the tasks that are due for completion this week, or by today, the month, or the year, or all tasks within the system. Additional columns can be added into the gadget. The additional columns allow us to filter and sort by them, and we can add new tasks simply by typing into the quick task box. And the tasks that are created can then be examined, and the tasks can be actioned. Once the task has been popped up, by clicking on the drill down icon, the task can be completed or other work changed, or other items of data changed within it, and then the record saved, and we're returned to the interactive dashboard. That then is the task list gadget inside Sage CRM.